Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would make a quick video because I have a pretty cool idea. I hope you guys like it too. I was thinking of making a Q&A video. That means you guys get to ask me all the questions that you have in mind. They can be personal about where I grew up or where I'm from, how old I am, my personal experiences, anything you want to know about me. You can also ask me about my playing, my tippers, my bodhrán, tips, suggestions, grooves, anything you would like to know about bodhrán playing. And you can also ask me about upcoming events like where I gig, who I gig with, if I have workshops coming soon. All of that information, it's all up to you. You can ask me anything you want and I will try to answer as many of the questions that I can. The way you ask me questions is you can do it 3 different ways. On my YouTube channel, so you can comment down below on this video so that I know that you want some answers. Then you can go to my Facebook page, Nicolle. I will put a link down below and you can put a post with a question. I will then look through them and try to answer as many as I can on my video. Also, I have an Instagram page now. It's at Nicolle Official. I will make sure to put like a little thing that says that you can ask me a question. That way we can also communicate on Instagram too, and you will be able to see posts that I make of when I have gigs or just selfies or things like that that I may have. I don't know, just having a little bit of fun with you guys that way. I would just like to interact more with you guys because I really like when I get to do that with you. So yeah, I hope you guys like the idea. I am really excited. I've never done a Q&A before, so just share this video with people who you think might be interested in asking me a question, and I will give you guys a couple of days just to gather a few questions and then I will make a video for you. I hope you guys have a really good day and I hope to get a lot of questions from you. Bye!